representing Purok Paglaog. My voice, my style. Good evening, judges. Fellow candidates, I am Karajan Villamaro. My age is 10 years old. Proudly representing Barangay 17 Purok Paglaog. And I thank you.
Buwan ng Nagidain Puno, the isang bata, the queen of sport and school. The plastic is once overlooked and discarded, now stand as testament to the power of renewal, reminding us that even the most ignored materials can be reimagined for a greater good. The old plastic once a symbol of destruction and pollution is now an emblem of resilience, reminding us that from the ashes we can rise stronger. And the light ribbon into the costume represents clarity and hope. Even in the darkest times, there's a light that gives us hope towards a brighter tomorrow.
Mayong gabi sa tanan. I am Razel Arivalo, 10, representing Purok Paglaog Uno. I believe in the saying, win or loss, I'm still gorgeous. And I thank you! To my fellow candidates, parents, and judges, good evening. Alexa Murder Robles, Purok Paglaog, 9, and I thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Belea Kusuma, 10 years old, debate representing Purok Pag-asa. Good evening, everyone. My name is Brianna Sophia P. Almazara. I'm 10 years old of age and representing Purok Pag-asa.
Bugaws ng Pagidain Uno, Medeg Remnants, the river of ocean through recreation. Made from plastic boats, plastic goods, old clothes, trash bags, straws, and bubbles. This creation brings to life a mystical sea creature. The plastic spoon shines like seashells, and the plastic smoke moves like ocean waves, and the ocean floats and bags turn into a symbol of emotion, showing the damage we have caused, but also the power to heal and restore. Each bubble floating from the machine makes the garment seem alive, reminding us that the ocean is not just a water, but is living a part of our world, with stories to tell. It calls us to remember its beauty, to protect it, and give it to new life. Once again, this is Bugal sa Pagidait Uno.
Sinabi ang tinagusok kita. Dili sa barangay sa Leyte.
Mayong gabi sa tanan. I am Katara Atoo, 10 years of age, representing Purok Pagidait Uno. I came to slay in a princess way, and I thank you.
Tinagusok Festival. Sa sentro sa siyudad, sa pag-ulog. Sa kabarangay, masanyo. Paglato sa mapa, kung iyong tanawon. Ang ihiyak ko, musik sa talanson. Sa kumadalan, imo maagan. Matakulang istruktura, imo maiwan. Mga negosyo, pagkuhan, at kalaan. Pagkalakali, nagusok sa sihan. Magdilipay ba, masulat siya ka. Kali, mag-ilang usap ba. Magdilipay ba, masulat siya ka. Kali, mag-ilang usap ba. Magdilipay, masulat ka ba. Kali, mag-ilang usap ba. Barangay 70, magkalipay, magsinadya, magtinagusok kita. Diri sa barangay 70. Tinagusok Festival. Asang kaglaong imo nga hamutan. Pagdari puno agos, may kasulhatan. Sinulo nga mapag-asa, para sa tanan. Tunay sa natin, asin sa may kaswalan.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our 8 lovely kids in their production number. So, ari na, dili na nato nakita. So, depende na ni sa aton nga judges ang echo kasakit. Depende ni sa aton nga judges if who among these 8 lovely ladies or young kids will be going home with the best in production number. But